This is how I helped someone inside my community go from 10 hours of scrolling every single day to less than an hour in less than a week. I don't want you to miss out on this because I'll tell you exactly how I did this for myself and for him inside the community. My name is Timothy. I'm 18. I've been helping people lower their screen time for over 2 years now. I have a community with over 6,000 people along with the project I'm working on called the Screen Time Challenge. But how I've done this for Vlad inside the Screen Time Challenge is the first thing I've done is to make it fun. Just to live life how you truly want to meaningfully. So just replace scrolling with passions that you're interested in, playing piano, coding, learning something like that. Or it's a sport like basketball. Also having challenges inside the community, accountability where other people can hold you accountable and encourage you, give you more ideas on what you can do. And just the community itself, like-minded people all trying to grow together and help each other. The next thing you can do is start the day right. Your first hour can define how your whole day goes, but don't think about like, oh, if my first hour isn't perfect, I can't have a great day. But doing these things like having an analog alarm instead of using your phone, so you don't check your phone first thing in the morning. And instead you try to do other more important tasks right away so you can get them done with in the morning. Both of those things, having fun and making it exciting to not go on your phone as much, I'm not saying you have to be perfect at this, and also starting your day right, are extremely important, but won't do anything if you don't want it. You have to want to change, to do something about this. Are you genuinely tired of chasing cheap dopamine? Wasting hours every single day when you could be doing other things? Worsening your health, your sleep, your quality of thoughts? Do you want to take back the hours that were stolen? Do you just want to get more out of life and enjoy it more? Then the next step would be to take action on this right away. Don't just watch another video or forget everything that I said. Take action. This is the next step to see change, by taking action. You can do this by clicking on the first link in the description to join the Screen Time Challenge. There's a video there explaining everything and how you can be like a Vlad who reduced their screen time by 9 hours and replace that with more purposeful, fulfilling things that he genuinely enjoyed doing. I hope you got something out this video. Consider subscribing, it's free, you can always change your mind. I was gonna film outside again, like I do for my usual videos, but it is freezing, it is way too cold, so I'm here. Hope you have a great day. Think about this, I'll see you inside the community.